It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm on the job. Our beds are completely caked with junk, so we're just gonna haul waste all day today. Which is fine with me. It's the last day, so I don't particularly care. This owner wants me to work another week, but I gotta check and see if I can even do that. I have a feeling they're gonna end up saying no, though, more than likely. So we'll just see what they have to say. But for now, just do this. Last day, going back over the road. I hate local stuff. Fucking passion. So, wait for the excavator to get over here. I'm just making the rounds. Not a lot to video today. I'm sure I could catalog my day, but I'm bored and I'm so sick of it. I'm ready for this to end, so I'm just not filming. I doubt anyone's gonna watch this vlog anyways, so I figured I'd just update you. The Holland Shale.
Looking to turn on Pierce.
Figured I would just update you guys. Holland Shale. I was hauling waste out. Now I'm hauling shale in. So yeah, nothing special, but either way, I'm almost done for the day. You know, I've been forgetting to mark this book I gotta be in. So I just put more tallies on it. I'm totally forgetting to do it. I got a lot on my mind. I pulled in here and I'm like, ah, crap, when's the last time I've marked this? I'm pretty sure it's been 3 times ago, so I just marked that. I'm back in this pit. An hour and change left and then we're done. And I can start heading back to Russellville. I'll be out, hopefully on out in the road middle of next week. We'll see how it goes. So ready. Well, I made it back to Russellville. There's Ashley. Ashley's not having a good day. She needs to eat a Luna bar. You should eat a Luna bar. You want to get a Ford F-150?
Sure.
We want to trade both of the cars in to go down from 2 cars to 1. I'm going to kind of wait a little bit until I've been working at this trucking company a little bit. But once I leave, I'm going to be gone for a while. And want to buy that scooter before I go, but the guy can only take cash. So I got $700 in cash, and I'm going to try and sell a couple of things and see if I can get the rest of it. We'll see. But it's a very fast scooter. It goes 150 miles an hour, and it's really designed to take 2 people, you know, long distances. So I want it, and then I'll use it to trade. If I trade in 2 cars, I can use it to help compensate a little bit in equity for being upside down in cars. I don't know. I doubt it'll work, but either that. It's just it's so ridiculously cheap. I might as well. So for $4,000, and he only wants $1,500 because he doesn't know what they're worth right now. I'm assuming he bought it for $1,500. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Need to win the lottery.
I agree.
So we're gonna get some pho. Yeah, I get to see the Pam Pam. I haven't seen him in 3 days.
Yeah, and then he's gonna leave him again.
And then when I go do the orientation, I wasn't planning on bringing him with me, but I can always come back and grab him real quick. We'll just see. Eat a Pam Pam.
Very
But
healthy.
I gotta get all this stuff ready to go. And put in totes and segregated and all that. So then when I get my new truck, I can just come and grab it and then go. So we'll see exactly how that's going to end up going. But for now, time for some pho.